How to create partition in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if you want to create a partition on your Windows, firstly open Run by pressing Windows plus R and then type in diskmanagement.msc and hit the OK button. This will then open a new tab which is for the disk management. Here you can see there is a C drive and I have also created unallocated space. To create that, what you have to do is right-click or select the C drive, right-click on it and then type in or press in shrink volume. This might take a while, so you'll have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Once you get the shrink table, in the amount of space to shrink in MB, you have to specify according to the space that is free on your device. As I had 500 MB free, I shrinked it on 500 MB. Now what you have to do is right-click on the unallocated file, click on New Simple Volume, then click on Next. Leave the spaces like this and then tap on Next. Now what you can do is you can change the volume name or assign the following drive letter. This will be according to your wish and then tap on Next. Make sure that the file system selected is NTFS and then tap on Next again. Now let us tap on Finish and you can see that the new volume has been formatted and created. Now let's get back to File Explorer and check if the partition is created or not. And as you can see that the new volume of drive G is available there. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.